to Power, Unit 6, Day 7. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. If you are ready, means show thumbs up. Yeah, great, my dear children. Shall we go to class? Yeah. First of all, I will teach you a phonics. In that last day, what we learned? We learnt about the beginning sound, middle sound and end letter sounds in CVC words. Do you remember that? Yes. Now I will show you one CRL. See that? 3-letter words. What is the beginning sound of this word? R, r. Middle sound? End sound? D, d. R, red, red. See this? What is the beginning sound? Middle sound? End sound? D, d. Beginning sound? Middle sound? End sound? D. Fed, fed, fed. Next, beginning sound, middle sound, end sound, So once again, what is the beginning sound? Middle sound, then end sound, men, men, men. See the next word, what is the beginning sound? End sound, middle sound and end sound. Middle sound end sound t. Once again, beginning sound in, middle sound end sound t. Shall we read this word? Net, net, net. Next word, see that, listen carefully my dear children. What is the beginning sound? P, p. Middle sound, end sound, t, t. Once again, p, t. Bet, pet, pet, pet. See that? Pet. Once again, what is the beginning sound? R. Middle sound, t. Red, red. Next word. What is the beginning sound? Middle sound, end sound, d. Fed, fed. You also read along with me. Fed. Next, middle sound, end sound, So, shall we read the word? Men. You also read along with me. Men. Men. Next, what is the beginning sound? In. Middle sound, end sound, t. Net. 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 Next, pet. Pet. Read along with me. Pet. So do you understand my dear children? Yes. Shall we do a worksheet from this phonics session? Now you will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 10. Question number 1. Page number 39. Page number 39. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your workbook. See that this is the worksheet number 10. Question number 1. Circle all the words with the ending sound you hear. Okay. Now I will say the letter sound and you have circled all words with the end sound you hear. End sound means what is that? This is a 3-letter word. Beginning sound, middle sound and end sound. Shall we do? You have to circle this. Are you ready? Yeah. See the first one. A question. Shall I say now? T. 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 Did you listen that sound? Which has a N sound? T. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. These 3 words have a N sound. T. So you have to circle 3 words. Okay, my dear kids. Shall I say next one? D. 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 So from the second one, which has a N sound? D. Yeah, first one, second one, then last one. So we have to circle 3 words. Next, shall I say now? Shall I say now? Yes, are you ready? In. In. So from the C quotient, which word have a in sound? End. End sound in. Can you guess it? Yes. First one, second one, then third one. So you have to circle this 3. See this, my dear children. So this is the first question answers. You have to see that. If you want to see the answers means you have to pause this video and then do this worksheet in your home. Next, shall I say the next question? Yes. Circle all the words with the middle sound. Middle sound you hear. So, from this word which has a middle sound? Yeah, beginning sound. This is the middle sound of this word. Now I will say the middle sound. Just you have to listen. After that you have to circle. You have to complete this worksheet. Are you listen? Shall I say? Yes. A. Can you guess the answer? Yeah, which has a N sound? A. Sorry, middle sound A. Middle sound A. Yes, first one, second one, then third one. So you have to circle this 3. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next one, see the second question. A sound. And like that. This is the middle sound A. So you have to circle this 3 words. This has a middle sound A. Yeah, great, Kutima. Next, shall I say that? Did you complete this? Yeah. Did you listen that? Which has a middle sound A? Which word has a middle sound A? Yeah, first one, third one, then fourth one. So you have to circle these 3 words. Yeah, great, my dear children. So this worksheet you have to complete in your home. Next, we will move to the next session, whole words. First of all, we have to recap the whole words in that last days. See this, many, she. Repeat along with me, she. Wants, goes. Two. Can you repeat along with me? Two. Very good, my dear children. Can you remember that whole words? Now shall we do one worksheet from this related whole words? Yes. Now you will take your workbook, page number 39, question number 3, worksheet number 10. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. See this is the whole words activity worksheet. Read the sentences and mark the words from the box in the same color. See here, we read the whole words, right? Many, she, wants, goes to, right? See the first sentence. See the first sentence, my dear kids. I have many toys. I have many toys. Do you see any word from this sentence in this box, my dear children? Yes. Which word is it? Yeah, many. So which color? Red color. So you have to take the red color crayons. You have to color this word many. See this, my dear children. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. She goes to her house. Once again, she goes to her house. Do you see any whole words here? Which one? Yes, goes. Which color is that? Green color. So you have to take the green color. You have to color this. See this. Next. I have a brother too. Do you see any whole word here from that box? Yes. Which one? Do. So which color is that? Can you guess that? Yeah. Pink. Pink. So you have to color this pink. Yeah, great, my dear children. Take the pink color and color it. Next. What does she do? What does she do? Here having any whole word? Can you guess it? Yes. She. Which color is that? Blue color. What color? Blue color. You have to take the blue color and color this word she. See that. Next one. Ronnie wants to eat a mango. Ronnie wants to eat a mango. Which word is here? Wants. Which color is that? Green color. So you have to take the green color and color this word. This is a green color. Huh? Are you listening? What color is that? What color? Yellow. What is that color? Yellow color. You have to take the yellow color and then color it. See that? Shall we move to the next one? Raj has many friends. Raj has many friends. Which whole word is here? Many. Which color we have to take? You only say. Red color. You have to take the red color. You have to identify the colors first of all, my dear kids. Red color. You have to take and color this word. Yeah, see this. Next. It is too hot. Too. Which color? Pink color. You have to take the pink color and color it. See this, my dear children. Next. She goes to the shop. She goes to the shop. Which whole word is here? Goes. Which color? Green color. You have to take the green color and color it. Next. I have many maps. Which whole word? Many. Which color? Red. You have to take the red color and color it. See that. Rita wants to a black pen. Wants. Yellow color. You have to take this yellow color. Color this word. Yeah, great, my dear children. So this is the whole words worksheet activity from this page number 39. You have to color this whole words, take the crayons and then complete this worksheet in your home. Okay? If you have a doubt, you have to ask your mom or dad and your sister or brother. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension session. In this unit, what we have learned from this part? Yeah, settings. Right? We have learned about the setting of a story. Right? What is the setting? What is the setting, my dear children? The setting is where is the story taking place. Right? Do you understand? What was the story taking place is called settings. Now I will show you the CRP, asking questions chart. See this question words that will help you think. When we are reading the story, just you have to think about this like a questions, okay? See that some questions which you can ask while listening to a story, right? Where is the story taking place? Just you have to think about that while you are reading the story, okay? Next, when did something happen? When did something happen? Who is in the story? யார் யாரெல்லாம் ஸ்டோரியில் இருந்தாங்க? What do you think about? Next, why that is happening? ஏன் நடந்துச்சு? How did that? Just you have to, while you are reading the story, you have to think about this, okay? Where, எங்கே, when, எப்பொழுது, who, யார், what, என்ன, why, ஏன், how, எப்படி. Just you have to think about this questions while you are reading the story. Okay, my dear kids, do you remember this? Yes, just I recap this. Okay, now you will open your SR book, page number 32, SR 8. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your SR book, SR 8. Now I will read this word story. You will keep your fingers like this, my dear children. Be friends with a tree. Be friends with a tree. Written by Kamal Ramachandani. Written by Kamal Ramachandani. Illustrations Kirti Benha. See the first page. Sujata has many tree friends. Sujata has many tree friends. You keep your finger like this, my dear children. Yes, next page. She wants, when she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. Swing. Swing means duri, like that, right? When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. Next, when she wants to eat fruits, see this, she goes to a tree. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. Third page. So, when she wants to climb, see the picture, when she wants to climb, she goes to a tree. When she wants to climb, she goes to a tree. Next, when she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. When she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. Open the next page, my dear children. SR 10. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. When she wants to go to think, she goes to a tree. You can be friends with a tree too. You also have a tree friends, my dear children. You can be friends with a tree too, right? Yes. Now shall we see the vocabulary words from this story? Yes. Swing. Swing means duri. Climb. 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 Next, think. Think. Next, rest. Rest. Yes. Now you will open the front page from the story beginning. See this, my dear children. Do you understand from this story? Now I will show you a CRL for vocabulary words. Why you have to see the vocabulary words from your book, you have to just put your finger, okay? Keep your finger like that. Shall I show the CRL? Yes. Swing, swing, swing. So from your SR book, this word where it is having, just you have to keep your finger. Swing. Swing means duri. Next, climb. Climb. Maram iruvanga illaya. Climb. You have to find out the word climb in your book. climb. Rest, rest. Can you point out your book? Rest word? Yes, rest. Think, think, think. Can you find out? Yes. Great, my dear children. So from your home, you have to read this story. Okay, while you have a doubt, you have to ask your mom and dad. Yeah, great, Kutima. Next, I will teach you a grammar session. Okay, recap the one and many. I will show you chart. Naming words can be one, many. Apple, apples. Apple, apples. Once again, apple, apples. Next, tree, trees. Tree, trees. Next, boy, boys. One and many. Do you understand that? Yes, we add an yes at the end sound to show many, right? See this. We have to add the yes. This is called many. One, many. Many means more than one. Onnuku mela irukkiradha many. Many means more than one. See this, my dear children. One, many. One crayons, many crayons. See this? One crayons, many crayons. So from your home, you have to see this like examples. You have a rule pencil, eraser, stick pens like that, color crayons, right? So you have to take that. You have to do this activity in your home. Just you have to differentiate from the one, many. Do you understand? One means only one. Then many means more than one. Onnu mela irukkiradala many, right? One, many, like that. If you are going to temple, you have to cross the trees like that, birds, right? One or many, you have to differentiate, okay? Just you have to recall this grammar part, okay, my dear children? Do you understand one, many? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a writing and speaking expression skill. Now you will open your worksheet number 7, page number 36. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your ESSA book. Worksheet, right? Did you open your worksheet? So see this is my worksheet, okay, my children's, okay. Now I will talk about my drawings, okay. I drew and labeled my drawing, right? Now I will talk about this drawing. You have to see the board, listen carefully, okay. See the board, my dear children. See this. This is me. I have to talk about my drawing. This is me. This is a tree. This is a tree. I like to hug the tree. I like to hug the tree. I feel very happy. I feel very happy. See once again. This is me. This is a tree. I like to hug the tree. I feel very happy. Right? Yes. Once again. This is me. This is a tree. I like to hug the tree. I feel very happy. Right? So this slide you have to take your worksheet. You have to speak with about your drawing, my dear children, in your home. Next I will teach you a upper and lower case letters M and N. See this, listen carefully. M. 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 Uppercase letter M. M after N. M after N. M after N. N after lowercase letter M. Lowercase letter M. Lowercase letter M. M after N. M after N. See this, my dear children, uppercase letter M, N, lowercase letter M, N. Now you will take your notebook. you will write for each letter one line in your notebook. M, N, uppercase letter, then lowercase letter M and N from your notebook, my dear children. Yeah, great, my dear children. What we learned today, shall we recall that? In phonics part, we have to learn about the beginning, middle, end sound for the CBC words. Then we have to complete the worksheet. You have to complete your worksheet in your home. Next, whole words. We recap the whole words. She, wants, goes, to and many. We did one worksheet also. Then reading and listening comprehension. We read a new story. Right? Just you have to read this story in your home. Next, grammar. We learnt about the one and many. So you have to do that activity like that. Okay? You have to take the things one or many. Just you have to differentiate between the one and many. Okay? Next, writing and speaking expression. We spoke about the drawing. Then upper and lower case letters M and N. You will write one each letter for one line in your notebook, my dear children. Do you understand? Yes. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning, my dear children. Be safe.